In this tutorial, I will teach you how to find the centroid of plane areas by using the method of moments. So before watching this tutorial, if you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates in future. Now let's start with our today's topic. Consider a plane area with a total area A whose centroid is to be determined. Now let's divide this plane area into a number of smaller areas A1, A2, A3, A4 and so on, such that the total area A is equal to summation of all these smaller areas. In order to find the centroid of this plane area, let's consider two reference axes OX and OY for calculating Y bar and X bar. Whereas this Y bar is the distance of centroid of this plane area from reference axis OX and X bar is the distance of centroid of this plane area from reference axis OY. X1 is the distance of centroid of area 1 from reference axis OY, X2 the centroidal distance of area 2 from reference axis OY, X3 the centroidal distance of area 3 from reference axis OY, and so on. Now let's take the moments of all these smaller areas about this reference axis OY. We will get the equation as moments of all the small areas equal to A1x1 plus A2x2 plus A3x3 plus A4x4 plus so on. And we will mark this as equation 1. Now let G be the centroid of total area A located at a distance of x bar from the reference axis OY. Then the moment of this total area A about the reference axis OY will be equal to A into x bar. And we will mark this as equation 2. The moments of all the small areas about reference axis OY must be equal to the moment of total area A about the same axis. Hence, equating equation first and second, we get A1x1 plus A2x2 plus A3x3 plus A4x4 plus so on equal to A into x bar. On simplifying further, we get the value of x bar equal to A1x1 plus A2x2 plus A3x3 plus A4x4 plus so on whole divided by A. This A is equal to summation of all these smaller areas, which is equal to area of this whole plane. Similarly, if we take the moments of all the small areas and the moment of total area A about the reference axis OX, we get Y bar equal to A1y1 plus A2y2 plus A3y3 plus A4y4 plus so on, whole divided by A. Whereas this Y bar is the distance of centroid of this plane area from reference axis OX. Y1 is the centroidal distance of area 1 from reference axis OX. Y2 is the centroidal distance of area 2 from reference axis OX. Y3 the centroidal distance of area 3 when OX is reference axis and so on. Some important points to be noted down about this topic. The axis about which moments are taken is known as axis of reference. If the section is symmetrical about any of the axes, then the centroid will lie on the axis of symmetry. The axis of reference for plane figures is generally taken as the lowest line of the figure for determining Y bar and the left line of the figure for determining X bar. So this was all for today. For more info about this tutorial, you can visit the link given in description below. For much more informative and interesting content, subscribe my YouTube channel Civil Tutor and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates in future. You can also follow me on Instagram at civiltutor152. We'll catch you up soon. Thank you.